So we've got a clutch out of the bike, and we flip it over. There's like a metal ring, retaining ring that holds it in. So we can just pop this out with just a screwdriver. So that comes out, and that basically allows you to pull the clutch plates out. So and you can hear some rollers dropping around in there. So these rollers normally sit in there. That allows the clutch to basically disengage at slow speed. So when you're sitting there on tick over, the clutch is not biting because these rollers sort of sit down in the middle, and then as you accelerate they roll up, which then pushes onto the clutch pack. When you take this apart, you got the sensor comes out, that comes out as well, and these are all the clutch plates, and you've got to watch out that you don't lose these little springs. So there's a plate at the back, clutch plate, center clutch plate, another one, and then one with the 4 springs on. Does that. So basically that clutch plate drives against there. The one in the middle, which has got clutch material on both sides, against there. That one, the plate since against there, and then that clutch material goes against that one. So that's your clutch plates. Then you can also take apart this as well. Just take one of those, take the roller out. You'll probably need an impact driver. This has been taken apart just previously, but need an impact driver for these screws. Just take a screwdriver and take these apart. These like the clutch damper springs will come out, but and then these are your actual clutch springs, which you can upgrade to heavy duty ones. That's like the bell housing. So that's basically taking the clutch apart.